Guys, we got a ton load of topics to discuss in today's video. Bitcoin is losing momentum right here in this bounce. And yeah, we are just going over a lot of different charts in today's video, like stablecoin dominances, Bitcoin, different Bitcoin charts, market cap charts. I have an update I want to share with you about Will Portal. We are going to have a look at the regular financial markets. Very, very interesting. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Get ready for it, okay? Let's go. First of all, I want to share something very important with you. And if you would be in the free Telegram app or in the Will Portal Telegram app, you would also know this. But the pro charts are live on willportal.com. So you go to willportal.com, you click right here on pro. This will bring you to this chart. Here you can select indicators. So we can add the funding rate. We can add, for example, the open interest right here. What can we do more? We can add the premium index. Basically, you can add any single indicator on the price chart right here. And you can select any time frame. So let's say we go to the 8-hour time frame right here. So you can see very clearly, okay, the open interest is going down, well, the funding rate is going down, premium index has a high reading. You can even change this if you would like to the bars, so you can see the premium index bar chart instead of the candle chart. Guys, this is very, very amazing because this makes it so much easier for you to analyze. And you can, like I said, you can put all these indicators at the same time. You can do the exchange balance, you can put like the fear and greed index, premium index, open interest, funding rates, all in one single chart, and it's working super fast. It's even working faster than TradingView itself. And we are working right now on a scrollable chart, so you can zoom in, zoom out, scroll back to the past. So that is actually kind of crazy, guys. I think this is a really, really good product where you guys can have a lot of advantages from. So make sure to check that out, guys. Will Portal Pro Charts on the website. Now let's dive into Bitcoin. And yeah, let's start off with this chart. Like I've been saying in my previous videos, guys, I do expect that Bitcoin is bouncing in the short-term time frame. We traded that bounce. We actually predicted the exact bottom based on a liquidation heat map. But right now, I'm going to say the opposite. Bitcoin is losing momentum right here. Although we can clearly see that there is some bullish momentum going on right here, I would argue that right here, we are losing that momentum. I'm going to show you why as well. And we are right now trading at the 38.20% Fibonacci level, right? So if we were to break above that high, we're going to the next level, which I will point out in a second. But this is just looking like we've just touched an important level. Why is this important? Well, on the 1 hour time frame, we are already losing the EMA ribbon, showing us that here we get touching that Fibonacci level right here multiple times. We cannot really break it, so we are coming down, losing the 1 hour EMA ribbon. Now it is going to be very, very important for Bitcoin if you want to keep this short-term uptrend to hold the 4 hour EMA ribbon right here, but I would doubt it. I think it's definitely possible for Bitcoin to break below this. And why do I think this is possible, guys? And if you would be a member of Will Alerts, guys, you would already know this information by yesterday, because yesterday we have been talking about it. I've already made an update that right here, the moment we touched this level, so when Bitcoin was trading slightly higher than right now, we already updated the members that we do think that this is a potential moment for a rejection and for a reversal. Why is that? Well, when we have a look at the stablecoin dominance, then we're going to this one. This is the USDC stablecoin dominance. That one is touching a very major support level at that specific moment. Right now coming up. But this one is just might be even more important. This is the stablecoin dominance combined from USD dollar Tether and USDC. We also touched a very important support. So far we're bouncing from that. This is a very important support. I don't expect this support to be broken that easily. If we break it, Bitcoin will enter a massive bull market, but as long as we are not breaking it yet, I'm going to be slightly careful right here. And you can see also that during this moment, the relative strength index really retraced quite far. We are still in the month of September, so I would definitely expect that this one will go up and Bitcoin will continue to trend down. Also the S&P 500, we have been talking about that on this channel, guys. Right here, the moment we touch the 61.80%. I told you this most likely will be a top. Be careful, this one is going to come down, and S&P 500 is coming down right here. So this is something important, because I think this will at least come down to the white line right here, hopefully not break it. If we will break it, that will be very, very bearish for all risk markets, but I do think we will be coming down right here. And yeah, when we're coming down, I do think it can drag Bitcoin down with it as well. That's why I'm a little bit cautious on what's happening with Bitcoin. Then guys, I have two more charts to share with you, the total market cap charts from altcoins, which are very interesting. But first of all guys, yesterday I published a video on how to create your own trading bot over on Bybit, and my trading bot right now has already an APR of 260%. And I'm quite impressed by this. And in yesterday's video, I explained to you exactly how you can set up these bots, how you can lower your risk, stuff like that. So I would definitely say, guys, make sure to watch that video that I published yesterday from the beginning till the end, because this is definitely the future, using these grid bots, using AI to trade Bitcoin. Definitely one of the next steps in trading that is going to happen. So yeah, make sure to watch that, make sure to understand it. I will make more tutorials about how to create bots in the future, but make sure to watch this one. Then guys, when we have a look at the altcoin dominance, it doesn't look so good, right? We just like trading right here in the middle. We're still holding that former resistance from that falling wedge formation. That is the only thing that we got going, but we did broke like some support in the relative strength index, support on Orioles belt. Not looking all too beautiful. This chart looks a little bit better. This is the market cap basically exclude Bitcoin, and this is the market cap without Bitcoin and Ethereum. We do see something like the relative strength index forming higher lows right here, while we have a potential inverse head and shoulders with a left shoulder right here, right shoulder right there, of a head in the middle, right shoulder right here. So this is, I could see this chart breaking out to the upside. However, it's definitely still more plausible for this one to break down. That will be a massive catastrophe for altcoins, guys. So this is something that to watch. But yeah, I would definitely wait for a breakout first. Breakout to the upside or breakout to the downside. Right now we are still trading in this pattern, and that's just a little bit... yeah, you just have to be a little bit cautious, because there's a lot of uncertainty going on, right? Bitcoin is a bit uncertainty. Are we going to correct lower? Is Bitcoin going to bounce? I personally think we are going to correct lower. That's what I've been saying already for the whole month of September. But we've also been talking about that bounce. So this bounce was very much expected. However, it is also expected that eventually we are going to surpass these lows. Why? Because of the stablecoin dominance charts. We can see, for example, right here, this was a 60-day cycle low. Here we surpassed the 60-day cycle low. That is a very bearish sign normally. Also, we are right now halfway on the cycle. Normally, halfway is a possibility that we are going to see a top formed. So yeah, I'm just going to be quite cautious on Bitcoin. I want to see more strength in order to get more confident, in order to throw more money into the markets. Right now I'm just lean back a little bit, like watch it from the sidelines. I have a big position in stablecoins right now, and yeah, I would expect, at least probability wise, that this thing will go to the downside. Guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure, don't forget to drop a thumbs up button, guys. That is very much important. And lately, we really need your engagement. We really need your likes, your comments, everything, because we want to push this content to as much people as possible. Yeah, if you haven't done so, guys, make sure to watch the Bybit bot tutorial that I've published on yesterday's video. I will put it in the end screen or somewhere in the information box right here, so you can watch that one. Make sure to watch it from the beginning till the end, so you understand everything that I'm saying. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section of that video. Very important. And yeah, guys, I want to wish all of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.